Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to order groceries on Instacart. So first, open the Instacart app or website and sign in. Then enter your delivery details and choose a nearby grocery stores. Now browse the store's available product and add the groceries you want to your cart. Once you've finished shopping, open your cart and review everything carefully. Then choose your delivery time and review any available substitutions or delivery preferences. Now enter or select your payment method and review the order total, including delivery fees and any applicable charges. Once everything looks correct, place your order. You can then track the order and communicate with your shopper if Instacart provides that option. So that was how to order groceries through Instacart. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.